Alright, so this video is a testimonial video, and AC gonna share his journey. And before he does that, I'm gonna show the audience what he used to look like, so we can appreciate the artistry of the hairline and the journey that he went through, and what hair transplant can be done, and what a transformation for him. Look at that, a year later. Front view, right hand side, left hand side, and top view. You can see how significant thinning he was, and look at how he is now. Excellent density. And this way he was. And now we're gonna put the stage back to Anthony. So Anthony, why don't you start from the beginning and just share to the viewer and the audience what's how hair loss has affected you, and your research on the journey to finding a clinic, and why you chose my clinic. Quite start from the beginning.
Yeah, definitely. Like with most males with hair loss, definitely affects the self-esteem, your confidence, how you imagine what people will see you as when you're out in public. It got to a point where I was wearing hats all the time. I wasn't comfortable with how I was viewed, and tried different haircuts and hairstyles to really make it work. But ultimately, it did lead me to the point of trying to find a more permanent result. And of course, the best permanent result for hair loss is doing the transplant.
Sure. So how did you find my clinic? Was it through YouTube, or through video, through the before and after? And why did you choose our clinic?
Yeah, definitely. So I wanted to do the procedure in the local area. And so that started with an initial search just through the web, seeing what clinics are out there. And after reviewing them, I stumbled across yours, Dr. Diep. And I tuned into your YouTube channel actually, and just watched a testimonial video just like this, and going through the testimonial videos, and they speak volumes to your works with the clients that you had worked with, and them sharing their success and their story, and just seeing the before and after just gave me a lot of confidence to take that initial consultation call and set up that meeting with you.
Yeah. Well, because of them, it helped you to reinforce that the idea that hair transplant can work and can be very natural.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And then now you on the other side sharing your experience and returning the favor, and I think it's a good thing. And so do you remember anything about the surgery day? And maybe you can share that with the viewer, and then and the recovery period, and when the hair come back for you.
Yeah, so as you might have done research on your own, and just going through that consultation period, surgery day is quite a long day. It is an extensive process to go through, but Dr. Diep and his team here did a great job of making you comfortable, come in, set you up right, ask what you want to listen to, what you want to watch.
Do you remember your lunch?
Yeah, I do. They provided a great lunch where they allowed me to pick beforehand, so when I'm going through, I'm not having to make that decision. They brought the food right to me. So very appreciative of the staff and the doc just doing everything for me during surgery day. Post-op, he gave a full list of instructional care to follow up on, personal number to contact if there's ever a time where I need reach out if I have any question that comes up. And I truly appreciate that, because you are going through it, and this might be the first time and you might not know what's going on exactly, but just following those instructional care steps really got you on the way of a better recovery and a quicker recovery, I believe.
Good. And when did the hair come back, start to grow for you? What month, and when did it fully grow?
I would say 4 months in is when I started noticing a lot more the results coming through. And as month and month go on by, the hair just got stronger, thicker, fuller. I would say about month 7, month 8 was really big notice and difference, where I had loved ones knew I had the process and they really could notice the before and after and the difference.
Good, good. All right, great. And then you did it before your wedding, right?
That is correct. Yeah. So I did. It was a great outcome. My wife is very happy with the results. She always likes me with hair. So it's great to see that she enjoyed it. I enjoyed it myself personally. We started getting some of the photos back within the wedding, and it was a great sight to see, definitely.
Yeah, it's a different, right?
It is a difference.
It's good to really have hair and then the hair that frame your face and to bring out your handsome look, and it's especially how it should be, and have a great photo session, right? And your handsome look come back for the wedding. So that's a great thing.
Yeah, our photographer, we took our engagement photos about 5 months in after the operation,
Oh, wow,
and then by wedding day, she's like, "Wow, your hair really like grew out a lot," and she didn't know I went through it, but she definitely saw the difference with the results that came in.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you for sharing to the viewer and the audience what your personal journey is. Hopefully they get a glimpse of what hair transplant journey will look like, and it can be very rewarding as long as you go to the right surgeon. With hair transplant, you don't want to base on cheap price, and that will get you in trouble, because after all, it is surgery, and you need a surgeon to operate on you, not technician 100%. And then there's quite a bit of artistic detail. So not every surgeon are an artist, so you want a surgeon with quite a bit of not only surgical skill but the artistic and aesthetic detail, and to really ensure you have a very natural result, a natural hairline, and the hairline that fit your face and frame your face. So we do give each patient a custom hairline, because not everybody's face is the same. So, and this one is a successful story, and I'm very glad that AC to brave enough to show his full face, to share his experience, and hopefully that will help the viewer and the audience, to encourage them to move forward to do surgery, and if not, to at least kind of get an idea that hair transplant can be a good, excellent, and one of the best solution for hair loss. Thank you.